full details coming, but had a catastrophic out of battery discharge. So bad that the round did not go down the barrel. It came out the side of the port, hitting poor Alec all the way over here, showing her battle wound. And luckily, like, look what it did to my hand. Like, it burnt me up. That, I'm lucky I didn't lose an eye on that. Holy crap. And that is why you wear eye protection. Alright, this is a video I didn't want to have to make, but here it is. The WBP is dead. So I took it out and had a catastrophic out of battery discharge caused by a seized up firing pin. Essentially what happened was I had the gun and a bench vise to confirm zero. I rocked the mags in, set in the vise. I was standing over it, had this hand here, went around, went to charge it, and as I leapt forward, bop. As the bolt went home, out of battery discharge. Bolt was about that far open, I'd say. Yeah, not good. So, this gun has just under 3,000 rounds on it. It hasn't been that long since it's been cleaned. I cleaned it right before Kalashnikon. Shot 300-ish rounds at Kalashnikon, and I had to clean it afterwards, so you should only have about 300 rounds since the last cleaning. If I had to guess, there's probably something inside the bolt that caused the firing pin to seize up. I know WBP firing pins have had a lot of issues lately. So I contacted Arms of America, since that's who I bought it from. They initially said, we're going to credit your account a couple $100, buy whatever parts you need to fix it. Then they followed up that email with another right after saying, scratch that, we're going to get you with WBP and just get you a whole new rifle. So unfortunately, this rifle is going back to factory, which is bittersweet. Obviously a lot of sentimental value with it. But yeah, this gun's dead. She's gone, won't be getting fixed. They'll be taking it apart, figuring out probably some troubleshooting with it. I don't know what their plan is. So that's sad. This was a WBP DIY, so it comes with no furniture or anything. So I'm going to have to strip all of this apart. And with the Midwest Industries Alpha system, that is going to suck, trying to get all of that apart. So that's going to be fun. And then of course they'll send me a new one. It'll also be a DIY, I assume. All of this is going right back on it. So I'll have all the paint still on the furniture, but with a clean black receiver, so that'll be an interesting look. But other than that, I've not changed anything internally on it, other than there's the rear guide rod for the recoil spring. I believe it's the rear half. Yeah, it's the part that has the lockup for their hinge dust cover. So I'll have to pull that apart and put the original one back in there, and then I'll have to take the K&S piston out. But the firing control group, all of that, the bolt, firing pin is all original to the gun. So yeah, that's where we're at with it. It's been run heavy all seasons. It's been through a lot, but up until now it's been flawless. So unfortunately, that's where we're at. So I will keep you guys updated with the new one and go from there.